Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Coinbase to Exodus in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, transferring assets like XRP can feel intimidating, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have your XRP safely moved and ready to go. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Coinbase and Exodus. If you haven't already, download the Exodus wallet app. It's user-friendly and perfect for beginners. Once you're logged in, open your Coinbase app or website and head to your dashboard. Locate your XRP balance. This is where we'll start the transfer. Next, navigate to the Send or Withdraw option in Coinbase. It's usually found in the asset details for XRP. Before you proceed, double-check that you're using the correct network. XRP typically runs on the XRP ledger, so select that to avoid any issues. Now, you'll need to enter your Exodus wallet address. To find this, open your Exodus app, select XRP, and copy the wallet address. Pro tip: always verify the address twice to prevent sending your funds to the wrong place, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer, keeping in mind any network fees that might apply in 2025. These can vary based on market conditions. Review the details carefully, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. This process might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Once the transfer is complete, head back to your Exodus wallet and refresh the page. You should see your XRP appear in your balance. Congratulations! You've just successfully moved your assets. Remember, in 2025, crypto regulations and fees could change, so stay updated with the latest from Coinbase and Exodus. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep building that digital portfolio together. See you in the next video.